intro. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be locking my hair. Before we get straight into the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet. Turn on that post notification bell so you know when I post. Alright? But anyways, for this video, these are the few locks that I already had. Y'all were like confused on how I made them. Y'all was like, oh my god, where'd you get the locks from? Baby, I made them. So this is what the hair was looking like. I literally pulled them apart and cut them to get them this chunky. I used packs of hair. Yeah. Any Marley braided brand is fine. It's like, yeah. I'm gonna use a rat tail comb, pair of scissors, and these thingamabobs. I'm not gonna use this one. I think I go faster with the 3 needles on them. I'm gonna be needing some clips. So stay tuned for the rest of the video if you want to see what it looks like. Okay, so the back.
You heard about Tyson,
I did regular full locks, right? Let me comb this out. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this and this together, and then I'm gonna take the and then I'm gonna I didn't like lock my hair all the way because I want this piece, like I want an inch to be like not locked.
You heard about Tyson, right? Hey guys, it's the next day. Currently making more locks because I ran out. This is everything that's left. Like everything else is done. I just need to do these. So I'm doing it like 4 at a time or 5 at a time because my fingers are like, you see my hand shaking? These 3 hurt, but it's because of me doing this for hours. But I like it so far. Even though I can't see it, I know it looks good because just from looking at the side. I plan on taking them out. But if it looks bomb,